Evelyn.
Okay.
Tell me about your mouth hole, right? While you're on TV.
Very small mouth hole. My husband doesn't believe me, but the dentist has told me, look, that's as far as it opens.
That's all you get, Robert. That's all you get.
Frankly, it's more than enough.
More about the small mouth and tiny penis later. Welcome to Offatts Bayou.
Leave me here, you were never good enough. Won't change a thing now, there was never try.
What do we got in here? Look at this fish pro. This nice fish pro. Got the cooler. Oh, beer.
There's water in there too.
Oh yeah, ice water.
I guess so. I don't know.
What's up? Y'all know what the so y'all normally ride around here?
Yeah.
Okay. What, is the clothes coming off?
Oh yeah, I gotta suck it up and stick them out.
Big mouth. There you go. Hey, we're gonna ride out. Yeah, we're ready. Brown. Yeah, it's infused. Alright guys, so enough with the sandbar party right now. It's time to take a break and head out to the marsh. We're gonna get some good video for you.
Get to the road. She thought it was the ocean.
What?
Just a boat. Now I gotta open my hands. I did have a 13 hours till I land. Having out like a
in certain areas. I got my depth finder.
Did you see the bottom the whole time? Back there, you could see everything. We're stuck.
Hey, Ryan, look at those guys. That's why I didn't follow their asses right there. Let's zoom in right now. That's why I didn't follow them. I followed this guy. This guy right here. I said he's still moving. Those guys aren't moving. I'm going that way.
Yeah. We'll go somewhere where like this way's not as good for this many people, but we'll turn the other way.
Well, we can go in sections. We don't have to like go all at the same time.
Yeah.
Where's Andrew? Oh, there he is. Where's that other guy? Where's that other guy that was behind you? We're missing somebody. We're missing that guy, that Hispanic guy. Where is he? He went that way.